Today we are going to be learning about multiplication with large numbers. Now don't freak out because we're going to make it simple and it won't seem as hard later on. So first we're going to start off with the numbers 46 and 35. So these numbers don't seem so scary, we're going to take them apart. We're going to take 5 times 6, 5 times 40, 30 times 6, and 30 times 40. So 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 4 is 20, and then we're going to add the 0 onto it, so it'll be 200. We're going to have 6 times 3, which is 18, and we're going to add the 0 on there to make it 180. And then we're going to take 3 times 4, which is 12, and you're going to add 2 zeros onto it, so it'll be 1,200. Then we're going to add these up, and we're going to get 1,610 as the answer. Does that seem simple enough? Okay, now we're going to do one for the visual learners. And this is going to be called counting by new groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a rectangle and we're going to split it into different groups. We're going to write 40 up here and 6 right here. Here we're going to put 30, and down here we're going to put 5. Now we're going to draw a line between these and the line between 30 and 5. So now we're going to take the 40 times the 30, which is 1,200, the 30 times the 6, which is 180, the 5 times the 40, which is 200, and then the 5 times the 6, which is 30. So now we're going to add these all up again. So 1,200, 180, 200, and 30. Okay, and then we got the right answer of 1,610. The next way we're going to do is by base tens. So again, we're going to split these up by tens. So we're going to have 4 tens for 40. 2, 3, 4. And our leftover, which is 6. And then we're going to have 3 tens for 30. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to have 5 for our leftover. And then we're going to draw squares. So then we're going to take all the 10 times 10s and make them 100. Okay, and then we're going to take 5 times 10s and make them 50s. And the 6 times 10s and make them 60s. And then we're going to take 6 times 5 and get 30. So now if we count up all of our hundreds, we have 12 of them, so we have 1,200. And then our 50s are 200. And our 6s, 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. And then the 5 times 6, which gave us 30, so we'll add that on. And we're going to get our answer of 1,610. So lastly, we're going to use the standard method. For the standard method, what we do is we take our 6 times our 5, which equals 30, and we put the 3 over here. So then we're going to do 5 times 4, which is 20, And then we're going to add our 3 on to get 23. So we're going to write 23 right here. Then we're going to put 0 as our placeholder here. We're going to do 3 times 6, which is 18. We're going to get rid of that so it's easier. We're going to put a 1 there instead. We're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. And we're going to add on our 1 to get 13. And then we're going to add this up. And you're going to get 1,610. Okay. A very good class, and next week we will talk more about multiplication. What was that?
533.
Good enough.
Yeah, that's good. Sorry about my email going on right
That's
there.
okay.
Forgot to turn it on silent.